The best things in life are gold. You got the golden age, golden retrievers, Golden Gate Bridge, golden tickets. I thought, why not? Why not? I could live my golden years forever. I really don't think you guys understand.
Okay, that's good. Guys, don't cut. I love what you're doing. I love it. I think it's great. But I think we go back to the gold trimmer. It's special edition gold trimmer, foil blade heads, 3 translucent combs. I think that's where we go. You got it? Good. On you.
Introducing the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra and Forged Gold. Get it now at manscaped.com.
Let's just try it one more time.
No, it's cutting into my park time. I gotta go. I gotta go to the park. It calls me.
Wait. Can you leave the trimmer, please? Okay. All right. I guess that's a wrap, everybody.